Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can remove the lock screen PIN, password, or a pattern lock on your Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. So first, let's go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, you want to swipe down at the top and swipe down once more. In here, tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on security. Then we go down and tap on screen lock. In here, you need to put in your current screen PIN and then tap on go. Next, tap on swipe and then it says delete screen lock. A PIN protects your phone if it's lost or stolen. Tap on the delete button if you no longer wish to use a PIN, password, or a pattern lock. And that's it. Now you can see if I go back to my lock screen, I no longer need to put in my PIN or password. It is now removed and I can simply just use the swipe action to log into my home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.